Yeah, them for no one set the clock God in and I represent for who? I Chris explore. Sometimes we explore all them girl next door. But you know I explore the globe. You know the clock work never stop work, my brother man.
Yo, you know East man, I represent for Chris Explore. You did quick and swift, you know man.
Oh, train station here is massive. I want to see the sign. Oh, I don't even say Rotterdam. So guys, as you can see, like Rotterdam's like a proper city. Like, look, we got the skyscraper buildings. It's totally different vibe to what you get in Amsterdam, and even the last place we were in. This kind of looks like Night City, man. Like, you got the fucking corpo buildings. That's it, man. But they ain't got no sign. They ain't got no sign that says Rotterdam, unfortunately, aside from a little like station one. We're just gonna walk around, see what Rotterdam has. Got nice trams here. It just looks clean though, like, wow. Just love the way these buildings look, man. This is architectural creativity right there, man. The way these buildings are looking. Now we're just going down this place called Gin Ban. I think it's something like that, Gin Ban. The words cover it might be Lindban. They got like a road of shops. It's kind of like Rotterdam's version of Oxford Street. They got like a tower building in the back as well, so let's see what it looks like over there. Nah, Rotterdam is just so different, man. It's so different. Like, look at this place, man. So it is Lindban or something like that. People will correct me in it, so it's kind of like your little market. The building in the back is looking like a cathedral of some sort. So we'll check that out. The weather's actually been really rainy. Sorry about my hand. I'm hand holding my camera this time. It's been really rainy since we've been here. Like, combination of rain. Sometimes it's sunny for like 5 or 10 minutes or so. One thing I noticed though about, like, if I'm wrong, someone correct me, yeah, but in Amsterdam at least, most of the food is all like burgers, chips, stuff like that. It's all like American stuff. I haven't really came across any like Dutch food. The most thing I ate, which I didn't actually film, was this Tony's New York bagel shop, where the guy comes from New York and he opened up a shop in Amsterdam where he was selling different bagels. It was like a family-run business. So I've seen that place. And that was like the best place I'd seen. Alright guys, so as I just found out, this is the building that the mayor works from. So it looks like they've just used the old, one of the old architectural buildings, and they made it into, would I say Parliament? Not Parliament, just government building. So now we're gonna head into the city itself, where they've got some upside down buildings and things of the nature of that. As I've been told, so let's see. Hopefully. Alright guys, so this is our first stop in Rotterdam. This is called St. Lawrence's Church. So you've got this massive church cathedral here. I'm not too sure if they'll let us go inside, but I'll check, because I'm curious to see what one of the churches would look like here in the Netherlands, because I haven't been into one of those yet. I like to check out the cathedrals and the churches in most places just to see the similarities and differences. So this one stretches quite wide. It's got like some massive gate as well, like metal gate. So I'm not too sure if it's open, but we'll soon find out. So let's go and have a look. Oh wait, this is not even the entrance. I don't know why I thought that was the entrance. I could get a photo of it, but it's only going to look the same as every other building, you know. So, alright, cool. Let's check out the engravings on this. Oh, it actually is. It is a door, but it's closed. Yeah. So they got metal engravings. Looks like some kind of fight that happened here. Growth of St. Lawrence Kirk. This looks cool. Late Gothic church building. The only building in Rotterdam remaining from the medieval period of the city. Okay, that's interesting, man. Look at this. Yeah. Alright, let's keep going. Then they see you looking at something else. Yeah.
Not if they saw you look at.
So guys, this is the food court. So they got like a whole different set of cuisine from around the world in this place. Wow. Yeah, they actually do, man. All these. Coconut maroon. Out of that macaroons then. That's the only thing I don't like. But it's actually a mall as well. Wow. It's actually a mall as well. Alright guys, so these are the upside down houses. Just gonna go up and take a look at them. Just left the food center, just in the back over there. Just go up. So they got some crazy buildings here in Rotterdam, man. All different. They got like, look at the whole skyline of all the skyscrapers, and then over there you got like the food place. So yeah, let's go upstairs. Take a look at some of these buildings. Elevator, innit? Alright guys, we're going into the compound now. Okay, so we're just entering into the cube houses now. As the guy said, we're just gonna follow the red path. So they call it the Art Cube House. Oh, there's a couple guides that actually tell you about it along the way, so.
Yeah, you get your ticket and there go the service. Well, yeah, at the entrance. Yeah. Welcome.
Got some nice street art on the building here as well. Yeah, so this is the cube house. Goes all the way around. Look at this other building over here too. Like just the shapes and the forms of the building here, so creative, man. I'm wondering if people actually live in this cube house complex. It's interesting. Oh, they actually have working offices in there. Wow, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so Rotterdam's like kind of like a city of funky buildings. Well, some funky buildings. Other than that, it's just really like a moving city, kind of like London, whatnot, in comparison to the other parts of Amsterdam. Yeah, so they just got regular businesses just running all around here. Regular businesses. So it's like kind of like, you know, how would I put it? It's kind of like a retail unit, basically. So it's just anybody could come here, go and check out the businesses. I got this food here. And just use their services, but it's in a cool layout. Yeah, so that's the cube area.